Hey, hi guys. So me again. So just want to provide another update today. So first of all, my site is still not approved. I almost thought it's not going to be that. Still, as mentioned yesterday, it took this one guy 5 days, and he had really good content and so on. So what I did is I anyway let you know yesterday as well. I have now added the new page, like in the navigation bar. I've got a new link there, a button basically. I haven't actually came around and actually made the first page. Now actually I have made it a little bit longer, like the content. So once you get the product, so to speak, you're getting a response, and the response is now longer in more detail. So I've worked on that, so that's longer now, so that's cool. Apart from that, I have been also running Google Ads again. So today's 21st. So let me just show you this. So as you can see, I have been running some Google Ads again today. So far, I have 13 clicks, and as you can see, I've lowered the CPC to 7 cents, which was my aim because yesterday I paid like 15 cents or something, I think on average, which was way too expensive. What I also recognized is Google is struggling a little bit with spending the money because my CPC bid is so low, 6 cents. Google wants to make more money with me. It actually was 4 cents before. I've actually just now increased it so I can spend another, I've got $1.50 per day budget, so I can spend it all. So yeah, and let's just see what comes from that. One more update. What I did today is just show you that. Yep. So let me just share that. I went to this page here. So this is hotjar, called like that. What did I do there? I basically installed the tracking tag. So why I did that is because I want to know where people actually click and if they actually really use my product, because I can't see that now because I haven't any tracking set up. So basically the only thing that I did here is I added the code. So I can't remember why I'm on this page now, but if you sign up to this page here, let me show you this. So this is called Hotjar um, by Content Square. Just Google Hotjar, and then they have this free version. Yeah, this is now in German because I speak German as well. You get this free trial thing. I think it's just for 15 days actually. Didn't actually say that here, so I'm not quite sure actually if I'm actually needing to pay more afterwards or something. Yeah, I'll figure it out. I just want to know now what people are doing. So I guess that's the one thing that I tested or I'm testing today. I added this tracking solution here, so which will show me, are they going here, 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 are they interacting with this button or with the navigation bar as I'm sending traffic there. It's not heaps, right? But maybe 20 to 30 clicks maybe per day. I can get some data over the next 15 days, which will help me to improve the page. It's really not hard. Just go to the page hotjar.com, sign up to it, get the free version, the free trial, basically install the code on your page. It has to go in the head section again of your code or of your website code. You can just Google it, head section, how you put it there on WordPress or whatever content management system you're using. Pretty simple. And yeah, sad thing, I am still not, ads txt status is still not found. So I'm hoping for the best. I'm not thinking that today or tomorrow on the weekend they will approve the page anyway. So hopefully on Monday maybe or Tuesday. Let's see. Yeah, just thought to provide an update, and yeah, hope it helped a little bit. So maybe check out Hotjar if you want to. Um, can give you more insights, and if you found out something, and maybe you can help me on certain things, and also in terms of this ads txt status not found, maybe there's a way to make it faster, or maybe if you have some tips or tricks, please share them, please. I'm trying to share. I would be happy if you share as well, and then we can all learn from each other. So yeah, have a good day. Okay, bye bye.